In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft Teams chat history permanently. If you're looking to tidy up your Microsoft Teams chat, or perhaps need to eliminate some past conversations, this guide will walk you through the steps to do just that. So let's dive in and make your Teams experience a bit more organized and clutter-free. First, you need to sign into Microsoft Teams. Head over to the website or open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're using a work account, make sure you're using the correct tenant ID, which is often linked to your organization. Logging in successfully is essential because all other steps hinge on being within the necessary environment to manage your chats. Once you're inside Teams, find the chat from which you want to delete messages. Navigate to your chat history, which is generally under the chat tab on the left side of the interface. Here you can see a list of all your recent conversations. Select the particular conversation where you'd like to remove a message. Now here's where the action happens. Hover over the message you wish to vanish from memory. When you do this, you'll notice a set of options appearing to the right of the message. Look for an icon that features three dots, also known as the More Options icon. Click on this to bring up a small menu. In this menu you should find an option that says Delete. It's pretty straightforward from here. Just click on delete and that message will be removed from your chat history. But remember, this action is typically irreversible, so be sure that you truly want that message gone forever before you hit delete. It's worth noting that while this method allows you to clear individual messages, it doesn't allow for the complete erasure of all chat history at once. Microsoft Teams, like many other communication platforms, is designed with barriers that prevent entire conversation threads from being wiped clean for reasons related to data integrity and accountability. Now, while Teams doesn't offer a one-click option to delete all messages or history, going through and cleaning up specific messages can help keep things tidy and prevent any past discussions from creating unnecessary clutter. Before we wrap up, here's a little tip to keep in mind. If you often find yourself needing to delete messages, it might help to be mindful of what you send initially. Sometimes a little forethought can save you from needing this guide too frequently. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this helps you manage your Teams chat history more effectively. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Until next time, happy chatting.